So we're back. This was meant to be the third one, but we've passed 12 o'clock. So there were only two for yesterday. And cut out the bug. And I'm going to fade in bug ball, and fade in the controls.
Where is your phone?
Oh, I don't know actually.
Right.
And then we'll just quickly check where we were before. So we've got user management, and what did I say? Download it, and then save to GitHub. And can you remember what this was? This must be number 2. Right, so the repository name is user edit. Just check that's right. This is 1, 2. Yeah. And in our list we had 1, 2. I call it user management system. And make it public. So any of you can do this. This is for free if you've got a computer and an internet connection. There's nothing clever about what I'm doing. It's very straightforward. You can come back and watch this video again if there's some bits you don't understand. And close that. And we're happy. I've downloaded it. You can see app zip it's called. So actually I think probably we should go to downloads. We should name it before we download it. And what's the name? Yeah, so don't download it first. Save it to the GitHub first. When I come back I can put these in my root folder, the DB00 folder. Don't close this because I'm still using my counting system, but this one is done. That's all you need. Download and save to the GitHub. And want me to show you GitHub? No, not in this one. This is a different one. This is I was going to show you. That's this is module 0 on Vercel, you see. So this is actually working. You can stream text and image, JSON output, function calling, image generation. And you can add more and more features using the Gemini. But I wanted to show you also how on sites, Google View / Dbug X. So this was taking this from GitHub to the Vercel, and this is free, and it just uses the Vercel app, just like did I show you Dbug on base 4.4? This is another one that you can use. No, but not, you can't use it in this way. This is a different system, but it's another one of these commercial sites, so you can do a certain amount in the free tier. So this is Dbug Network here, you see. Some of it's working and some of it is not working. So in the same way, not in the same way, but in the fact that within the free tier this is something that you can do, and the bit of it that you can put is module 0, and it takes it from the GitHub. Go to my repositories and I'll show you where it's actually listed here. Look, user edit is here. That's one we just made. Free tier is one I made earlier to talk about all of this stuff that you can do for free. And there is module 0, you see. So module 0 was then linked to this account on Vercel, and if you go to dashboard, you'll see that I've put quite a few projects here. I've put Gaia module and super module 3 I've done so far, and then on this site here, which is a Google site, Dbug, you see I've managed to put it as an embed. You see, most of it's working up to a point, and I think probably you could put a link, and then Dbug Productions goes to Dbug Productions, and on you go, and you've got Dbug Network as another. So I'm going to close that now, and I'm just going to go to the Google Drive, and I'll show you that those things that I was making earlier, like Story Weaver, Sequence Heartbeat, Regedit, you see they've all come through to here because we're on a Google account called debugmail.com. It hasn't got the X in it, and that's the account we're using here. So this is now gone, welcome to Bugwell, what's bugging you today, new bug. So that is fantastic. So we download that. No, hang on, save it to GitHub first. And what were we calling this? Do you remember? Gosh, I don't think we had a name for it. Gosh, that's interesting, isn't it? What should we call it? Bugbase O. That gives us the chance to just have other bug bases. Make it public, and let's get one of those funky emojis. We don't want a dog, we want a bug. We're definitely going to have a bug, huh? I don't know where it's gone now. There it is. No? Yes, that's it. No, have it at the beginning. That's more on the way. Yeah. These will all be changed later, so while that's doing that, got Regedit. Saved again. So we haven't saved it yet, Regedit. And we have user registration. System. User registration system. And create. And this one, we don't want to call it app. We want to call it user edit. And we want to call it I can't choose it. Let's go to the GitHub. What's it called? Use edit. And go to the settings. Repository name, use edit. I'm very unfamiliar with all of this, you see. Where is the description? You can go through and set up all of this sort of stuff. I did it on one of the others. But I can't find the description now. So if you look at it in the repositories, you see they've got a little description. User management system, user registration system, bugs are free. I was right to put the bug at the beginning, you see. Social media hub, management for modular system. Yeah, okay, it is good. Sequence heartbeat, that's not right. Something has happened here. Okay, and this one was called the Dbug agent community. And we have that little bug there. And it's public. Make everything public, just like everybody use it if they want. If we refresh repositories here, there it is, Dbug agent community. Nice. Okay, commit. So we're really sort of closing down and going to bed now. There it is. We don't like story weaver. What was the use case? Use case. So it's kind of gone off on some funny idea about writing stories, but that doesn't matter. I don't mind about that. Save it to GitHub. This will go through actually. Looks like it's working. Use case. I might just save what's there, even though no, okay, it's alright. Can do it. But while that's doing that, so No, I didn't need to do that. Oh damn, I wanted to set it as yeah, I've got to go with that. I'll have to make it public later. That's alright, this is not any use to anybody at the moment. Repository description, so it seems to be private by default, so remember to check that to public if you want it to public. There's this direct span. DRX. Oh, hang on. Direct span. And on to the next one. Use edit, I think we've done this. No changes to commit. And this one. Hang on, I'll just coming down. Yeah, 5 minutes. We've got the guide dogs playing in the background. That's it. So they're all there. So download. 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 Fantastic. So all we need to do now is call this folder what a to-do. What to do next. Let's put a jolly little bug there as well. Cut this out. Put it on the desktop. Then go to downloads. Grab all of these. Paste. Go back to downloads. Grab these. Paste. Back to downloads. Delete that. You don't need two of these either. You just copied these already. You want to check Module O to debug Pro Tools. Module O to debug Pro Tools. Pretty sure they're all there. So let's leave this tidy, shall we? Nice. Okay. Then we go back to folder here called Journal, which is where I kind of store everything for each day, you see. And this is from the camera. This is Dbug 251118. That can be closed. This cannot be closed now. Save it in today's date as well. Today's date. Yes, I was going to change the name here. So you see it's got the dash in. It's because I had two, I got one with the dash and one without the dash. Try a different one. Publish. No, it doesn't like it. Oh, who cares? Getting very close to the end now. So a funky icon for that. So go to customize, change icon. This is a shortcut. Could have that question. Change icon. Is there another question mark? That's better. Apply. And then this one. Also shortcuts. So go to details, security, shortcut, change icon. I have a shield. There aren't very many nice ones here.
I have to switch your things off.
Yeah, switch them off.
Oh, ridiculous.
Switch it off, Danny. Just turn the telly off. I'll turn the video off after, okay? There. That looks nice, doesn't it? Yeah.
Very loud like this, or totally silly.
It wasn't so loud, was it?
It is very loud.
Was it loud?
You hear that yourself. Very loud.
Mm. Health check failed. It isn't responding right now. I'll try starting the front end. We have about 2 minutes left.
Is she coming to bed?
I'm coming.
Okay, you're really so silly like that. It's just Americans are hurting you. Only thing you did do is just switch everything off. Forget about it. Go to bed.
Yeah.
You're so silly like that.
Yeah. We have about 2 minutes left. I just told the agent we got 2 minutes left. Well, that looks quite good. Bit of yellow, but I don't know what yellow means. No, there's the red. Oh, we've only got look, we've only got 3 problems left. That's pretty amazing. Ah. What's going on here? You've reached your monthly chat quota. Upgrade. So that's the end of the free tier. Wow. And there's 3 problems left. And it's monthly, is it? Monthly. And today is the 18th. Okay, so wait until the 18th of December, folks. And we'll carry on with this. We've got to wait for a month. Isn't that great? I can relax now. So I say good night. Wish you all the best. God bless.